A very good morning to my dear students. Today we are continuing with our exercise 8.3. In 8.3 exercise, our topic is ordering and comparing decimals. In this exercise what we are doing, हम क्या करें, हम डेसिमल नंबर्स को ऑर्डरिंग मीन्स अरेंज करें, विच वन इज स्मॉलर विच वन इज ग्रेटर, एंड कंपेयरिंग मीन्स to arrange the numbers, right, to compare the two numbers. So now in this exercise, in previous class we have done up to S1 part, which is the arrange the name of the students in ascending order according to their heights, right. Now S2 question is arrange the mountains in the descending order of their heights. Now what we have to do, we have to arrange the mountains in descending order. In which order? Descending order. So it will be like this. Now it is given to you name of the mountains, name of the mountain and their height, right. Now first one is Mount Everest. First one is Mount Everest, whose height is 8.848 kilometer, right. Next one is Denali, whose height is 6.190 kilometer. Next one is Lodz, its height is 8.516 kilometer. Next one is K2, whose height is 8.616 kilometer, not 616, 611 kilometer. Last one is Mount Apo, whose height is 2.954, right. Now we have to arrange them in descending order. How we have to arrange? In descending order. So in descending order, first one come highest number. Descending order में हम कैसे करते हैं? First one the bigger, then small, right. So again first here is name of the mountain. We will write it complete. आप क्या करेंगे? Completely write down करेंगे इसको. Name of the mountains, and this side height. So now decreasing order, first one come the biggest number. डेसिमल नंबर में कंपेयरिंग के टाइम पे हम क्या करते हैं? हम फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल पार्ट को कंपेयर करते हैं. 86882. So now there are 388, right. After that compare the decimal part. First part number of decimal part is 8, 5 and 6. So which one is big? 8. So first is Mount Everest. Highest mountain is Mount Everest, whose height is 8.848 kilometer. See one more thing. इसमें क्या थी बेटा? यूनिट सब में सेम है, बट प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन जो हमने किया था क्लास वाइज, दैट वन यूनिट्स आर डिफरेंट, राइट. आफ्टर दैट 8 what comes? 6. So next will come K2, which is 8.611 kilometer, right. After K2 Lhotse. Lhotse is 8.516 kilometer. right? Now there are two, that is Denali and Mount Apo. Next one will be Denali. Denali height is 6.190 kilometer, and the last is Mount Apo. So these are the mountains arranged in the descending order, right? Once again you can draw the table like this. Clear? This table is already given to you. And these are the answers. Right, now S3 is compare the fractions and decimal using greater sign and smaller sign. Now what we have to do, we have to compare the numbers, right? So in comparing, first when we are start comparing the decimal number, in this first we will do with, first we will compare what, decimal part or integral part. फर्स्टली हम क्या कंपेयर करेंगे, हम इंटीग्रल पार्ट को कंपेयर करेंगे. नाउ S3 फर्स्ट इज कंपेयर, राइट. In this first part is 3 1/3 dash 3 decimal 0019, right. One side mixed fraction, second side decimal number. फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 3 3 9, 9 + 1 10, 10/3. Again this one 3.0019. Now again also it is not clear कि आप दोनों में डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट कर सको, विच वन इज ग्रेटर विच वन इज स्मॉलर. सो व्हाट वी डू, हम डिवाइड करते हैं 10/3. 3 3 9, 10 - 9 1, विच कम हेयर डेसिमल. डेसिमल इट मीन्स यहाँ क्या आएगा 0. Again 3 3 9, again 1, again this. So it will be like this 3.33, which is 3.33. लास्ट तक 3 ही आएगा, and this is 3.0019. Now you can tell which one is greater, which one is small. इंटीग्रल पार्ट को अगर आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो बोथ द साइड क्या गिवन है आपको 3, बट जब हम डेसिमल पार्ट को कंपेयर करते हैं देयर इज 3, देयर इज 0. सो विच वन इज ग्रेटर 3. सो दिस साइड नंबर इज ग्रेटर. क्लियर ए पार्ट. नाउ बी पार्ट, that is 7.00345. Again the number given to you, that is mixed fraction. Again we will convert that in improper. 7.00345. 3 3 9, 9 2 11/3, right. नाउ सी बेटा, अभी हमने 10/3 को डिवाइड किया था. वंस अगेन अब हम क्या करेंगे, 11/3 को डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 3 9, 11 - 9 2. Here come decimal, what become 0. 3 6 18, again 2 0, 3 6 18. So the number is 3.66, right. So it can be written like this 7.0035, and this is 3.66, right. Now you can tell me which is greater, which one is smaller. This number is greater. Clear. Now C part, 784/200 equals to 3.95. Already in improper. Again divide 784 with 200. 200 3s are 600. 184. Decimal downside come 0. Now with 9. 1800. 4 0. Again 0 can come and it goes on 2. Right, 200 2s are 400, which is 3 decimal 9 2. 3 decimal 9 2 and 3 decimal 9 5. Which one is greater? Again this one. Clear? By division you can easily find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. क्लियर अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, अगर इम्प्रॉपर में गिवन है, सॉरी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में गिवन है, तो आप उसको इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करो एंड आफ्टर इम्प्रॉपर डिवाइड द नंबर्स. इम्प्रॉपर के बाद क्या करेंगे, आप डिवाइड करेंगे. लाइक इन दिस द क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी इन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, राइट. आफ्टर दैट डिवाइड द नंबर्स एंड फाइंड द आंसर. Next is find the digit in the thousandth place in 7 by 8. Again what we have to do, we have to find which digit is at the thousandth place. Means how many digits we need. THS use है. THS means कि आपको क्या करना है, after decimal you have to find the 3 digits, right. So now S4 7 by 8. 8 will come out 7 inside. Can't divide. So in starting we will put decimal. Downside come 0. Now 8 8 the 64. 10 minus 6. Sorry 10 minus 4 6. Again here come 0. 8 7 the 56. Again 10 minus 6 4. 5 minus 5 0. Again 0. 8 5s are 40 and remainder is 0. So the digit 10th 100th 1000, the digit in the thousandth place in 7 by 8 is 5, right. If I asked you the digit in the 100th place, then the digit is 7 and 10th place 8, right. Now next is A1, that is height of 3 friends. Height is given. Height of 3 friends, Rakesh, Umesh and Himesh. Rakesh, next is Umesh, then Himesh. Height is 1.7125 meter, 1.681 meter and 1.72 meter. So this is the height given of 3 friends. Write their names in ascending order of their heights. Ascending order means firstly हमें किसको लिखना है, the one which is the smallest. So their integral part of every boy is 1 1 1. It means same. अब हम डेसिमल पार्ट को कंपेयर करते हैं. 7 7 and 6. So small is, so we have to arrange the height in ascending order. Ascending order. So first one comes Umesh. First is Umesh. After that 7 1 and 7 2. So which one? Rakesh. And the tallest one is Himesh. right? So these are the three friends arranged according to the ascending order of their heights. Now A2, Sapna and Dinesh work in the same office. Sapna's house is, now they are talking about Sapna and Dinesh. Sapna's house, distance of Sapna's house and office is 5.675 किलोमीटर, राइट. सपना के हाउस से घर का जो ऑफिस से जो उसके घर का डिस्टेंस है दैट वन इज 5.675, while the distance of Dinesh house equals to from the office is 5.489 kilometer. Whose house is near to the office means whose distance is less. डिस्टेंस दोनों में से जिसका भी कम होगा उसका ऑफिस जो है वो उसके घर के पास होगा. सो 5 किलोमीटर, डेसिमल पार्ट 6 and 4. So whose house is near to the office? Dinesh house is near to the office. Clear? Dinesh house is near to the office. And how I got this? By comparing these two distances, right? Now a third is Sanjay has a bag of potatoes weighing 14.456 kg. Vimal has a bag of rice weighing 14.678 kilogram. Next, Sanjana has a bag of sugar weighing 14.1678, and Sudhir has a bag of mangoes weighing 14.345 kg. So who have the heaviest and the lightest bag? So Sanjay, how much? Sanjay bag weight. Sanjay bag's weight is 14.456 kilogram. Right. Next is Vimal bag's weight equals to 14.678 kilogram. Next is Sanjana bag's weight is 14.1678 kg. After Sanjana, Sudhir bag's weight is 14.345 kg. Right, we have to find the heaviest and the lightest bag. मीन सबसे ज़्यादा वेट किस बैग में है? विमल्स बैग, राइट, 678. सो विमल हैव द heaviest bag of 14.678 kg. Right. Next one, lightest means सबसे लेस वेट किस में है? 3141. So Sanjana have the lightest bag of 14.1678 kg. Right, clear? आपको just 4 out of these 4 friends you have to find which one has the heaviest weight and which one has the lightest weight. किसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा हैवी वेट था और किसके पास सबसे लेस वेट था. राइट. नाउ this is about exercise 8.3. Next exercise is 8.4, which is of adding decimal, which we do tomorrow.